A post circulating on X claims Microsoft cut 4,800 jobs. This requires corroboration from Microsoft or a primary news source. If confirmed, it would mark a significant restructuring in the company's workforce. We'll be monitoring for official statements throughout the day. Meanwhile, another post on X claims Anthropic is betting $19 billion on infrastructure. Again, this needs verification directly from Anthropic or established news outlets. The scale here is worth paying attention to if it holds up because it signals serious capital commitment to AI compute. On the conference circuit, Raspberry AI says it's exhibiting at PI Apparel's fashion technology show in New York, where they're targeting design and technology leaders exploring AI adoption in fashion. That's a smart vertical. Fashion has been a slower adopter of AI than other industries, but we're starting to see real momentum there in design automation and supply chain optimization. And if you're following the research side of things, there's a roundtable on computer use agents scheduled during ICML Week in Seoul on Tuesday, July 7th at 6 p.m. KST. That's featuring research presentations and discussion. Computer use agents have become one of the hottest topics in the field. These are AI systems that can actually interact with software interfaces the way humans do, and the research community is racing to solve everything from reliability to reasoning at scale. If you're building in this space or just tracking where the frontier's moving, Seoul's going to be the place to watch this week. The thing that strikes me about today's stories is the mix. You've got potential workforce disruption at the largest companies, massive infrastructure bets, and then the granular work happening in specialized verticals and research labs. That's how the AI economy actually works. It's not one narrative, it's simultaneous pressure at every level: cost structure, compute availability, and problem-solving capability. We'll continue tracking those Microsoft and Anthropic claims as they develop. In the meantime, keep an eye on what's happening in Seoul and New York. Both places are proving grounds for where AI actually gets built and deployed. That's your AI Automation Research Briefing for Monday, July 6th, 2026. Stay sharp. I'll see you next time.